Hi guys, today we got another headset. We're gonna be unboxing a gaming headset, the K1 from Onkima. I think it's a Japanese name, I don't know, but I butchered the name somehow. So this is just like the other one. I don't know, it has a different kind of packaging, which is very, very funny. They just pack it like this. No fancy packing, nothing. Piece of paper, the box. And the piece of paper is just like a manual book or stuff like that. It tells you how to use to control. We got it in this hair bag, which I got enough of. And this is it. A kind of a camouflage design. The box said this is a cushion. It protects your head from whatever. And also this cushion. But the only thing I worried about is getting it very dirty very easily. It looks very nice, not very bad. The mic here for your gaming is very, very strong to move it. There's no button, but you see, it's a little bit strong. But it looks very great, looks comfortable. I look like a pilot now on the plane. Hey, what do pilots usually say? I don't know. Okay, so this is the line. It's long enough. A clip, which is very short, because I don't know why you're gonna be clipping it here when you're gaming or whatever, but it's a clip. I don't just like it because it's too short. On the clip himself, that is the controller. We have the mute on volume. I don't like the volume control. I don't like it at all. I wish they could have done it. It's okay, it's a wheel, but I wish it could have been done in a very better way. The mic is there. At least this is long enough. Extra connector. If you don't want to use the headset, you can use this for every other thing. But the only problem is it goes straight into your computer with the left and right, and it's long enough. But I wish they should have make it like the other one. But they had their own in a very long additional cable to it. So at least you have an extra for yourself from the back of your computer to getting close to where you are, and it fits very well, very nice. This is just a design, it doesn't do anything. It's just a design. Just a design. It doesn't do anything. They have it also here also. It's just a piece of design showing the colors and the label of it. And yeah, it's strong, but I worried about it getting broken from here if you're always throwing it, or you have kids like me at home who they are always playing with some of your gear, because you cannot keep your computer in one place. And sometimes you use your headphones and you just leave it somewhere, and your child or your son or your daughter is playing with it and they get it broken. This is a kind of fancy design, but I don't really think it makes sense for them to just put this here. The cushion padding would have been very enough. It would have been better. I wouldn't really recommend buying it, to be honest, although it's cheap. But I will recommend you getting something more better, adding a little bit of 10, 20 to your money, and get something much better than this. Yeah, this is gonna break very soon, I bet you. So the sound quality was good. I listened to it. It wasn't that loud enough, so I wasn't really much impressed. Maybe the design may be something you want, or you're just looking for something very cheap at a very budget price. You can buy it for that purpose. But if you can add more money to it and getting yourself one of these famous one that works very fine, I would suggest that. So guys, this is the K1 from Onkima, and yeah. But if you're interested in buying it, I have a link below down there somewhere. Click on the link to support our channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Odabo.